Hello, everybody, and welcome to my channel. Now, today I have Holden V8 Supercar. Now, this is the Holden Commodore VN Commodore or VR Commodore, the third generation Commodore from the early 1990s. V8 5.0 5-liter engine V8. It's the same body chassis as the Opel Senator or Vauxhall Omega. Now, this is a plastic toy. Uh, it has the Holden HSV logo here, the cat and the helmet. We don't get much of this Holden toy, so that's why I got it and I show it to y'all. And then we have this keychain, which features Peter Brock, number 05, King of the Mountain. Those of you who are in Australia or follow V8 Supercar would know King of the Mountain, Mr. Peter Brock. Brock sadly passed away in one of the Targa, Western Australia, I think. Yeah, his car hit a tree and he died many years ago. So this is a tribute and remembrance to King of the Mountain, Mr. Peter Brock, in his '05 Holden Commodore. This is classic collectible in 1/87 scale. It's die-cast metal. Yeah, these are all his wins. He won in 1972, 75, 78, and all these years. Too much. A very great man. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.